When you work in continuous rounds, you're basically working in a spiral fashion and not joining to the first stitch of a round. You need to place a marker so that you can find that first stitch and just not keep going and going. So I've got 11 half double crochets, and I've placed a strand of yarn of this contrasting color so that you won't lose it between the last stitch I just made and the start of the next round. So I'm going to work half double crochets in my next round, and when I get back to the marker, I'll meet you back here so I can show you what you need to do with this long strand of yarn. So I'm back around to my marker, and I've got 2 more stitches to do. And when I finish this round, I'm going to bring my marker to the front like that and start my next round. This is my first stitch, and you work just like this, moving the marker to the front, to the back, to the front, and leave a long strand here. If you were working like the body of a toy animal, you can see how the first stitch is always beside the marker, all up and down the body of the animal or whatever you're working in continuous rounds. And then when you are through, you just simply pull it out. And that's continuous rounds and markers.